Most content creators using Kajabi miss these simple settings that can help you get seen and found. They only take a few minutes, but they can make a world of difference. Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Dianne and I'm a Kajabi strategist and mentor. I have helped over 60 small business owners run their business using Kajabi. And if you want your Kajabi site to look polished and work seamlessly, you need to check out these 5 settings I have for you today. I'll show exactly where to find them and how to fix them fast so that your site stands out and runs smoother for you and your customers. So let's get started. So these are my simple Kajabi settings that are going to help you get seen and found. What we are going to cover, we are going to look at our site settings, branding colors, site settings, SEO settings, checkout settings, additional options, mobile app settings, and email templates and your branding. So I'm just going to jump into Kajabi and we will get started. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we are going to come on your left sidebar and all the way to the bottom where you see settings. Now in here, the first thing we are going to do is go to our site details and we are going to look at our colors. So if you are constantly typing in your hex codes when you're writing emails or building landing pages, this is the setting that you need to change straight away. By adding your branding colors, this is going to save you time and ensure that you are using consistent colors, which builds trust and makes your site look professional. So we can see here that I already have some colors in here, but I'm going to just reset this back to the Kajabi default. So now you'll see the standard Kajabi colors in here. So to simply change it, you just click on the color that you want to change and you're going to include your hex code instead. We're just going to type in another hex code and I'm going to move to the next one. I'm going to add my next color and then click in the next one. And you just keep continuing to do this until you've worked your way through all of the colors that you want to include. And once you have all of your colors and then you are happy, then what I also recommend doing now at this stage is if you are not going to use these other colors that have come through as standard default colors, let's remove them so that no one makes any mistakes and accidentally clicks the wrong colors. So to remove them, you just click on the item and then we're just going to drag it all the way back so that it is transparent. We're going to click on the next one and we're going to continue to just drag it back until it is transparent. And that way, then we know that we are only able to select our own hex codes and our own branding colors without any issues. Just quickly finish this off. And once you have finished and made all of your changes, don't forget that you need to save these changes. So the next thing we are going to look at is our SEO settings, and that is also within our site details. So we're just going to scroll down until we find SEO and sharing. So getting found on Google starts with your site's SEO settings. If your title or description is missing, it is making it harder for people to discover you. So now we're just going to add a page title and then a page description. I'm going to include an image, and this image will be displayed when you share your URL link. So I'm just going to select an image. And then again, we are just going to click Save. So these small tweaks will help search engines understand your site and get you in front of more of the right people. So next we're going to move on to our checkout settings. So we just come back up to settings and then we are going to click on checkout. Have you ever had a customer who purchased something only to learn that they are not signed up to receive marketing emails? Or perhaps you just want to make the most of every new customer. If you are not automatically adding your buyers to your email list, you could be missing out some valuable connections and repeat sales. So what we are going to do now, we are in the checkout settings. We are just going to scroll down until we see additional options. And here we are going to mark the checkbox, automatically sign up customers to receive your email list when they purchase a paid offer. And it just has a little information section here. It says the email opt-in checkbox will be hidden on paid offers, and any free offers will use your opt-in settings chosen above. So that means if we tick this setting, we also then get an additional pop-up that says automatically add members. An automatic opt-in may violate email marketing laws applicable to your business. Please read this article for more information about the risks involved. So just be aware that this article is here for you to read and just determine whether this setting is right for you or not. If you decide to proceed, you would say, yes, I understand the risks, and then people will automatically be subscribed. Now, one other option is to also include terms and conditions on your checkout page to say that because they have purchased an offer, they will be signed up to email marketing and they can unsubscribe at any time. So just remember to check the laws in your region and just make that informed decision yourself. So again, before we leave this area, we need to make sure we save our changes. And now we are going to move on to our mobile app settings. So we click on settings, and then we just scroll down until we find mobile app settings. Now the chances are if someone has purchased your course, they have probably purchased other courses that use Kajabi. So when they open the mobile app to access your course, you could be sitting right beside your competitors. So we want to make sure that your course stands out on the mobile app library from everyone else. And how we do this is we upload our mobile icon and we set our app colors. So the first thing we're going to do is upload an icon, and we want this to be consistent with your branding and make you stand out as recognizable from everyone else. So I'm just going to select an image, and then I'm going to save and upload. And now we're just going to scroll down to app colors. Now we are only given this color palette that is here. We cannot include our own hex colors. So my advice is just pick one that aligns as closely as possible to your branding. So I'm just going to select this pink one. And then we also have some additional settings here if you want to enable any of these, which is the promotion of the app, feedback, and push notifications. Now I'm just going to include my image and my color palette, and then I'm going to click save. This way your course is easy to spot and your brand stays top of mind. Okay, so the next thing we are going to look at is email template and branding. So we're just going to click on settings, and then we are just going to scroll down to email templates, and then we are going to click on branding. Branded emails boost trust and our open rates. Now Kajabi sends two types of emails. We have transactional emails and marketing emails. And today in this area, we are talking about transactional emails. Like when someone makes a purchase, Kajabi will automatically send an email confirming their purchase. So this allows you the ability to brand these emails, which makes it instantly recognizable by people that they are from you. So from here, you can upload a logo. So just select your logo. You want to upload a new file, and you want to find the file, whether it's on your local device or in your shared drives. So I've got my file. I'm just going to click save and upload. And then the next option you have available here is to change your button color and your button font. So you can click on the button and then you can select your hex codes. And then you can change the font color as well. Once you've made your changes, again, just click save. These 5 settings are quick to check, but make a huge difference in your Kajabi site look and feel. Try them out and see the results for yourself. Which one will you update first? Drop your answer or any other Kajabi questions below, and I'll be back next Friday with a footer fix and another setting that I love. If you want more Kajabi tips or my free top 5 must-have system settings in your Kajabi platform reference guide, scan the barcode or click on the link, or you can connect with me at any time on Instagram, YouTube. My direct email and my website is listed below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Kajabi updates and quick fixes.